So hey guys, OnePlus is almost set to enter the foldable phone market with a book-like device whose main rival is likely to be the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now the OnePlus Open has been leaked along with its pricing, and it's a hot one, the price not the phone. According to a fresh leak via WinFuture, the leak confirms that the OnePlus Open is a rebranded Oppo Find N3 Fold. But in terms of pricing, the OnePlus Open is likely to cost $1699. The foldable smartphone is said to be on sale in the United States from October 19th. In comparison to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which cost $1799, the OnePlus Open cost $100 less, which brings question and disappointment because we thought OnePlus was a budget-friendly device maker. The OnePlus Open looks like this from the outside. These are the phone's official design photos. This smartphone has a unique circular camera housing and 248 megapixel wide and ultra-wide sensor, as well as a 64 megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. Sources says that OnePlus will also want to release the Open in European countries, except from Germany, where the brand is banned due to the patent infringement on Nokia technologies. It's yet unclear if the $1699 price for the USA is a tax-free and if the OnePlus Open will cost even more than that in Europe. Recently, we have seen the phone in various hands-on, and even we saw the comparison with the Z Fold 5. The video shows that the phone has a very thin and almost invisible display crease depending on lighting and the angle the device is held at. This is a significant improvement over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which has a much more notable crease. In addition, we can also confirm the presence of a alert slider in both the OnePlus and the Oppo branded versions of the devices we have seen. This detail has become a significant feature for OnePlus devices in the past, and it is really good news to see that tradition continues. It is expected to run on Android 13 operating system. As per previous leak, the OnePlus Open will feature a 7.82 inches OLED inner display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.31 inches OLED outer screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Let me know your thoughts on this pricing of the OnePlus Open in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.